friends, today I'm going to make potato bites. It's a very tasty and easy North Indian snack. So let's look what all ingredients are needed for making it. 4 small boiled potatoes, red chilli flakes, garlic, corn flour, oil, salt and rice flour. And let it heat. You can add some garlic. We can wait for some time and after that it will turn into a brownish color. Let's wait for that time. Turned into a brownish color. Next we can add the red chilli flakes. Next we can add some water to it. Then we need the rice flour. After it heats, we can add the rice flour. The water will get very absorbed very fast. We have to mix it very well by that time. We can off the flame and let this mixture rest for a while. For up to 5 minutes we can keep it for rest. Now we can either smash or grate these potatoes. Here I am smashing all those. Now we have transferred the mixture into a bowl. Now we can add some salt as per taste. And now we can add the smashed potatoes to this mixture. So we have transferred it. Now we can mix all of this together. We have to mix it very well so the salt will just mix with it. We have to get all of it very well according to our taste. We have mixed it very well. Now we can add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. So it will be a little dry. We can again mix it very nicely. So this corn flour must be reached on every part. As I told, it's very dry now. For that, let's make it smooth. For that, we can take some oil. We can take a little bit of oil and just spread it everywhere. Yes. Now we can again mix it. We need this dough to be very smooth. Now we can take this dough and keep it aside. Next, we have to divide this dough into 3 equal parts. Next, we can take a part of it and roll it. Before we roll it, we can use our hands. We can use this oil to grease our hands. Now we can just roll it. Now we have rolled it. Next, we have to cut it into small bites. We can transfer these bites into plate. Here we have cut it. Cut all the dough now. It's very fine like this. So next we have to fry it in oil. So we have kept a pan here and let it heat. After that we can add some oil to it. So here we have the oil. Let this oil heat up. Now the oil is heated. Next we can put these. Now let it fry. So it has been in a golden color, so we can take it and transfer it into a plate. We can add more to the oil. Now our potato bites is ready. It's very tasty to eat with ketchup. Enjoy!